Hey there guys, this is ENC16 Skills and today we're just going to do like a subscriber special. So as you've seen the channel, we've got 350 subscribers now.
Good.
Well, even over 366 to be precise. So we're going to make a nerf war which will be good for you. The thing is though, we won't be able to talk that much in it because the camera's a bit mucked up with the sound and
like if
timing.
I say, like if I get hit, I would have to do it like 5 seconds after.
Yeah, so like it's like that, but we'll try and get it fixed for later. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy. So yeah, let's get on to the nerf war. Boo boo. Cool, nice.
What are you doing?
No. This. Ollie,
Yeah?
come in here. This is going to be
down
a
here
one-on-one
with my
battle. Ah! This guy's shooting my mega centurion.
Oh, it hit my teeth.
One last bullet.
I'm going to throw a grenade.
Oh!
I think. Where's my arrow bullet? Hey, I lost my bullets. That's not fair. Got that 1 million.
This is the ultra bullets. Surrender!
It's not the end. What was your last bullet? Hey, I need
Grenades! Oh.
I need more ammo.
Oh, grenade!
Oh no.
Quickly before the stop!
Oh. This is going to be the last grenade.